Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Quinn, and in early celebration of summer, we are doing another natural tie-dye video. If you love avocados as much as I do, save the skin, save the seed, wash them, freeze them. So if you decide to do this tie-dye video, you can reuse them. Avocado makes a really pretty mauve pink tone dye. So if you're interested in doing some tie-dye, keep on watching. You will need party trays, avocados. I got 5, and then you will need washable markers, scissors, rubber bands. I got 3 100% cotton t-shirts, 2 from the same brand, 1 from a different brand, just to test out the quality. This one is from Gildan, 100% cotton in size large. I also got the same brand from Gildan, size large as well. And then this one, I got it from the brand Athletic. This is 100% cotton, but it feels smoother, less grainy. This one feels more grainy. I don't know if you can tell, but this color is more white. This one's a little bit slightly less white. And then there is one key thing that you will need to do in order to get the most pigmentation out of the avocados. Keep on watching and I will tell you in a little bit. Pro tip, buy your avocados a few days in advance to make sure that they are fully ripe. Don't be like me. I was having a really hard time scooping out the avocados because I bought them the day of. My rubber bands are thin, so I'm doubling them up. With a washable marker, mark where you want the crop top to end. I find it helpful when you actually put the t-shirt on so you know exactly how long you want the crop top to be. I'm making this into a crop top t-shirt, so I'm going to be cutting straight across. Fold the t-shirt in half. We're gonna draw half a heart like this using the washable marker. I am now pulling this section forward and then tying it into a knot so then we can dye this pink later. I'm gonna tie another rubber band to create a separation between the heart. So the heart's gonna get dyed and then the base of this, which is the sleeve of the t-shirt, is going to get dyed, and then there's going to be a white space in between. So this is how much dye I got from the avocado skin and seed. Make sure you wash the seed and skin well, or else you get these little residue of green. First, going to be dyeing this heart tie-dye t-shirt. This is the heart that we tied. So I'm going to dip the heart into the dye. because I want the heart to be pink. So just dip it in and soak it. And then I want to leave this part white, so I'm gonna dip this. The dye was overflowing, so I end up just pouring the dye straight on top. So this is what the heart shape should look like. So pink, white, pink. And then now we're gonna do the horizontal stripe. I'm gonna dye pink, white, pink, white, pink, white. The spiral one should be really easy because I'm just pouring everything onto the shirt and make sure the dye is like really soaked in there. The key here is to expose the dye to the sun. The UV ray is going to bring out that pink dye color. The longer you tan your t-shirts, the better pigment payoff you will get. Don't forget to flip the shirts around. It's so sad I'm not getting that much sun, so I'm literally moving the trays around to chase the sunlight. You can tell after 1 hour, the dye is already getting more pink. This is what they currently look like after they have been tanning out in the sun. You can see it's a little bit more of a mauve pink color. And these are the washable markers, so it's gonna come right out after I wash it. This is the back side. And this one is the spiral. So I just finished washing this shirt. This is the spiral shirt, and this is what the color looks like. It's kind of like a mauve pink. You can see it really well on this t-shirt. It's still wet, so I'm gonna let it dry and then I will show you what it looks like once it's all dried. I just finished hand washing these t-shirts. That's the horizontal stripe. This one is the crop top with the heart. I don't really see the heart anymore in this lighting. This one is the spiral. This color payoff is the best on the spiral, if you can see. It's currently like a pink mauve color. It's very cute. I'm going to let them air dry and then I will show you what they look like on. See the heart, but the pink and the color dye had the most payoff. I love these darker lines of dye here, and I think these were more exposed to the sun. The longer you put the dye or the shirt out in the sun, the more color payoff you will get. The back doesn't have as much dye because we scrunched the front. Remember when we pulled the front and dyed the front? So this was the t-shirt that was from a different brand. It had a smoother finish. It's 100% cotton, but the fit is just much softer. It didn't retain a lot of dye. This was the horizontal dye. Let me step back and show you what that looks like. That's it for today's video. Which one of the design is your favorite? Comment down below. Share this video to someone who wants to do natural tie-dye. Don't forget to subscribe and click the post notification bell to get notified when I post next, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!